Start off here for you guys that are here early. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. Wow, it's almost 7 seconds. I hope it gets better. Oh well, it is what it is, guys. In order to get a clear picture, it's kind of the best I can get through YouTube. And so, for those of you who've been following around my trade dispute, I still have not had a resolution. So I'm waiting on that. We'll be trading Thinkorswim. This is a Thinkorswim layout. We're got a couple of new overlay scripts too, guys. I'm looking for an overlay script. I'm working on, should I say, an overlay script that is going to go right over my 1 minute chart with a 1 minute countdown, like a dial, so I can just, because I keep looking up at the clock here, even at the clock, unless I put the clock like right over it, which would be very distracting. I mean, it's a thought to do it like that. I don't know if you guys saw that. I just put it there, but I don't know if I want to do that. Make sure it's out away from my picture. I'm looking to get just a dial, and why would that help me? When the volume kicks off higher on the next one, I want to see, or if it's about to kick off, I want to see how many seconds are left for the 1 minute candle to close. I find that comes into play quite a bit to give me my more confidence to trade, to take the trade. If I see exactly where I'm at overall. I'm setting up everything here a little bit better. I was working on that script and kind of didn't get set up here the way I wanted to. So we will be, if you're new here, we will be doing live trading. I recommend, of course, that you seek the advice of a licensed financial advisor. You can watch me trade, but you really shouldn't follow unless you ever, because I can't. I'm not licensed to give you that kind of advice. Trade in the simulator first. Make sure things are working for 30 to 60 days. Then when you go live, go very low share size. And you need to do your own due diligence and figure out your own trading style. It would be great if somebody could tell you what to do and you just follow that person along, like a lemming, whatever. And it just won't work, guys. It won't work. You need to understand the market. There is no quick fix. And I know a lot of people want to do that, and invariably whoever you're following is going to have bad days, and you don't even know how to handle that if you don't understand the concept of trading. So there's no quick road. 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, whatever journey you're on, and you're mostly trying to overcome yourself, and you're battling every day. And it's just an ongoing thing, guys, for all of us. It never stops. Every day is different. Every trade's different. Every second the trade is different. So you need to understand yourself, your parameters, have a maximum loss per trade, log your journey so you can reread what went wrong, what went right, and then slowly it will, you'll get an epiphany at some point. It's slow at first, and you go, oh, I get it. So that doesn't mean don't study books and watch YouTube videos. I wouldn't jump in and buy a course. I wouldn't pay thousands of dollars because when you want to get a course, if you ever do, is when you really understand much more about the market, which seems weird. That's counterintuitive, right? But it's just watching and asking questions of yourself, like what does that mean? And now we've got, all these AIs to ask any question you might have to give you detailed answers. Easier than ever now to not pay for a course. If they suggest, you could even ask, I haven't even tried that yet, to see what happens. Like, I'm just starting in trading, what courses should I take? Let's just do that. I mean, if it actually says courses, this would be interesting. Let's just do that. Let me open up a fresh one here. I'll go to Gemini. So if I'm just starting in day trading and I have $50,000 and I really don't know anything about trading, What should I do? What are the first steps I should do? Let's see what it says. I am curious. I have not done this. It says starting with $50,000 gives you a fantastic financial foundation. Whoa! But in the world of day trading, your biggest asset right now isn't your capital. It's your willingness to learn before risking a single dime. The markets are highly competitive, and jumping in without a blueprint is the fastest way to shrink your bankroll. Here's a step-by-step structured roadmap to take from an absolute beginner. Protect your capital. Rules of engagement. All right, there's a lot here, so let me just see. Build your foundation knowledge, market mechanics, technical analysis, reading the charts, risk management, set up your sandbox, paper trading. Good, it said that, right? Create trading plan and journal. Good stuff. Slow transition to live funds. It's kind of what I just said. Oh, okay. Well, I don't really know anything about trading, so stuff you just said, that sounds very confusing to me. Do you have any other information to get started? Sorry, I'm going to be completely stupid here. Not stupid, ignorant. There's a big difference there. Let's see. Apple is buying something and selling something in a few minutes. Learn to read candlestick charts. Understand the 2 golden rules. Okay, so it's giving you... Okay, so you're just saying open up a platform and learn to do this stuff, or are you suggesting that I go learn this from somebody or some type of book or something else, or just study it on my own and slowly pick up that information? Short answer: do not try to guess and pick it up on your own by staring at a blank screen. Wow, good stuff, right? Let's see. YouTube, look for educational channels. Focus on the mechanics of trading, not channels showing sports cars promising 1,000% returns. Wow, so AI's got it going on here. Trading, look for videos, trading for beginners, risk management basics. You know, I totally believe in watching YouTube videos, everybody's YouTube videos. Oh, now it's actually giving books. I don't know about this one. How to day trade for a living. Andrew as oh no, yeah, no, sorry. I disagree with that book. But the next book it has down here is Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas. I agree with that book if you care about what I say. But yeah, I'm surprised at that. It just picked the #1 best-selling book. Yeah, interesting. Well, it didn't just jump right in and give a bunch of recommendations, but coming back to what we're actually talking about, that was interesting. But here's what I think you should do if you're just starting: is watch the